nervous. I've never done this before.
Me too. I don't know the rules.
Pick up the bowl and flip it.
Ashley.
I'm first.
Yeah, you go first. Let's just have fun. Fun.
One thing to go first, love. I don't want to embarrass myself.
Oh, no one started yet. Ours is lit up already.
Yeah, because we can start.
Oh.
Nervous. Why must I be first, love? I don't want to be first.
Wait, where should we put this? I think Yogi.
Camera's actually the other side now.
No, but I want this to be shown, the monitor.
Oh, you want it?
Wait, just pause. Go left.
Could be a fail.
Strike. Oh! At least it's not.
It's two.
We call it canal. That's. Oh! Oh! Reflected there already.
Okay, Ashley still. Holes are too small. Better. Whew.
Oh! Ooh.
Yes.
What? Beginner's luck. That's cute.
Spare. I think it's Charlyn's turn now.
Oh my god!
Yes, your turn. Your turn left.
Did you use grab these holes?
Charlyn. I just do the two holes and
But I can also put
whatever works left.
slippery.
Good job. First one. Foco.
I think I like it better this way.
Whatever works for you.
Me still?
Yep. wait. Oh, yes.
Yay!
Something.
See, it works for me. Like that. Me still?
Look. Little rocket.
Oh no.
It's watching you.
It's your turn.
Okay. Yes, Ashley turn. It's a nice one. Yeah.
Yeah.
No! Didn't work. Oh!
Good.
It just says nothing.
Is it my turn again? What happened there?
Oh, no. Gutter ball.
Oh, gutter. Yeah, that's why we call it canal.
Okay, next one. Cha.
My style.
Your style, sure.
Because I remember my coworker
Also, just do it
did
that.
this like very slowly, but she scored higher than all of us.
Oh, okay. Slow and steady wins the race.
Nah. No!
Oh no.
Didn't work.
No, but faster though.
And then, one more.
Whoa! Oh yes.
Oh! Ah!
Nice. Just one, but it sounds good though. I got 0, so keep done up.
So me? Finishing. Finishing?
No, it's the hole.
You again.
Yeah, you're winning so far with 13. So I got
Your turn.
Ashley ready, okay. No, orange. No!
See? No need to stress, not just you.
how I got one. Because it hopped. There, love.
You can go. No! Oh no!
That was not even close, love.
Gutter ball.
At least I got the ball at the end.
I think, can we go there? Can we go closer?
Huh?
Closer. That side.
Oh,
I think we can go there.
you can't. It's the line.
Do not go behind.
Don't pass the line.
I don't know how to position myself.
Oh, that's better. Oh, yes. Oh, nice. Oh, much better. Good job.
Your turn.
Oh, and the other one. Oh, this one is not nice and heavy.
Aim for center, love.
I try every time.
You're too strong, love.
This one's heavy though. No.
Again. Or maybe a little bit
Lighter one. Smaller one then.
softer.
Zero.
Why didn't you tie it?
The one inside.
Where? Maybe that's why.
I'm not running.
But you gotta tie it.
Still counted as one.
I'll tie it for you, love.
No, love. No. Leave my stuff. Your turn.
You'll score higher if you tie it.
Why did you put it here? Yeah.
Us.
Go now, center. Center.
Center.
Center hold. No, it's the gutter. The gutter. That was heavy.
Small.
Okay, count as one.
Oh, even it's 0?
No, it's sometimes hops and then it knocks one off.
No!
Woo! 0. Let's see, we show 0. 0 moving, let's go. Rocket! And the 1.
Different technique.
No. Maybe I should stand here and go like that.
Maybe this side, yeah.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh, but you got some of it.
Got you.
Oh my god, I didn't. It paused. My turn?
Got 4, yeah. I'm just gonna throw it strong enough to sit over there. Oh, come on.
No! Really? Look at the very last part, it went to the gutter.
Oh, come on. Nice. Okay.
Get up like force.
Ready.
No want the big ones, love?
Big ones. I put in too much power. It goes too fast.
Oh, yay!
To the right. Gonna go in.
Yeah. Because it doesn't really like go straight. Oh! Oh!
Better.
Better.
Oh, getting there. 20, 23, 31. Okay.
Oh!
Okay.
Let me put this in my bag.
Okay.
No!
You also have to stand more right now. Because we both go to the left side.
Tura left, tura left.
To the left, yeah, we both go to the left. So stand more to the right side. That's a bit much left. Yeah, spit. Oh my god. Not all the way, just a little bit.
I want those massage chairs though.
Yeah.
Oh my god, 3 more rounds.
Yeah. Oh. Focusing. Ooh, hole in one. You do it. Nice.
No! Is this heavy?
Gutter. Oh, masal. Ground spin, which is I see is the correct way. I'm doing the throw it and hope for the best. Okay.
One more?
One more, yeah. Come on.
I always got that side.
Don't know what's wrong with to the left, but okay.
Tura left, tura left. That's our theme song for today though.
To the left, to the left. All
Wow.
we gotta do is go to the left,
Tura left.
to the left, to the left.
We're exercising at least now.
Sweating. See, they throw it. Whoa, perfect. Whoa.
Oh!
Yes.
What do you call that?
Strike.
Huh?
Strike. Strike.
Strike?
Strike. It's the X.
Right?
I got an X. Woo.
I want an X too.
Charlyn, your turn. I'm finished.
You're finishing.
Yeah.
What ball did you use?
That's the heavy one. What I use that? It's heavy there.
Heavy. No!
This side.
Hi. I want to strike.
It's your,
Strike.
that's a 0 now. So I got to strike.
Last round. Oh my god, you're winning.
I don't know.
Gotcha.
Okay. The heavy one seems to work.
Quite serious about their game.
Playing competition. Yeah.
Oh, oh, oh. No! But you got 1 strike left.
I want to make it two at least. 2 strikes.
Another strike. Ah!
Thank you. So I'm finished. I'm done.
Still have 1?
You have lost out.
Ah! I want the strike.
Okay, so my points 37,
Mine is
31.
stuck in 31.
You can get 6. We draw. If you get more than 6, you win. Okay, love, you can do it.
Ah!
Not like that, love. Faster. Stand more to the left side because we are
Right or
our
left?
to the right side. Because our aim is very off. Three, two, release. Oh now? Yes, yes, yes. Oh! Nice, you win.
I win.
I think you win.